Ziya, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing my FabFitFun unboxing with you guys. It's a little late. I've had it for over a week. I just haven't had time. Okay. Things were just not working out, and then I've been having trouble sleeping. It's a whole thing. Anyway, I have the fall box here. I'm really excited to finally open it. Here is the box. Ooh. Alright, on to what's in here. First thing is something from the laundress, New York. Crease release. Okay, so this is going to help remove wrinkles from your clothes. I guess it's the kind of spray that you just spray on your clothes and you let it just naturally take the wrinkles out. That's pretty cool because I do not like ironing clothes at all, in the least. Not my fun. Not my fun. I'm not a fan. It's not my favorite thing to do. I'm also going to tie my hair up because I feel like it's kind of getting in the way right now, and like I don't want to deal. There you go. I feel better. Does it look perfect? No, but it's out of my face, and that's all I want right now. This is good as gonna get. Moving on. The next thing I have here is the Height Tranquility Sleep Mist. It looks like it's something to spray on your pillow. Formulated with powerful ingredients that relax your senses and soothe your skin, this calming lavender scented mist creates a tranquil sleep environment while promoting a healthy complexion. That's nice. Okay, skincare and stress relief in one. I like. This would be good for Ernie because he has trouble sleeping. I've also been having trouble sleeping. Like I just said, I was having trouble sleeping, and now we have that. So it's gonna help us both. Even though Ernie does not need any help with his skin, I always get on him about how good his skin is without him even trying. It's like you use the same soap as you use for the rest of your body on your face. You have no breakouts. His skin is smooth. And it's like, and like half of it is hidden by hair, so if he does have a breakout, it'll be hidden by his beard anyway. I don't have that option. It's not like a beard doesn't try to grow. It does try to grow. I'm gonna not tell you guys anymore about that. This is something that I actually did choose. It's the Volition Celery Green Cream with hyaluronic acid. Wow, my gosh, can't talk. Hyaluronic acid and peptides. I got carried away and ahead of myself. There's another item from Volition that I really want to try for a while now. It was the Strawberry Vitamin C Serum. It was also offered as an add-on item for the box, and it cost like, I think it was like $20 something for that, when normally it's like, I think close to 50, and it got sold out so fast I wasn't able to get it at all. It was gone. This has hyaluronic acid and peptides. It helps to purify, minimize the appearance of pores and skin texture. Yes, please, I need that. Hydrates and visibly plumps. Reduces excess oil. That is wonderful because I get so oily. I'm gonna open this up and like give it a sniff. Green celery cream. So I feel like it should kind of smell watery, but kind of like plant-like. See? Ooh, this texture seems nice. Oh yeah, that's a nice, clean, light scent. Like it smells healthy, you know what I mean? It's soft, very soft. I actually should really put some hand cream on because my phalanges are really dry. Ooh, I have one of these. I have one. It's just a tiny version. Is it you? Yes. No, that's High Beam. Hold on. Now this I have from Birchbox. It's a tiny little baby one, and a little bit of it goes a long way. This is its little packaging. So I use it on days where I'm not wearing very much makeup. I like to just add, do my brows, put on some mascara, a little bit of liquid blush or cream blush, and some highlighter, and I'm good to go. But let's open this baby up and see. Wow, that is a lot bigger. So here's the baby one that Birchbox gave me a while back, and here is a full size. Really neat. This is in the color Just Do It. It's my old one. This one here is called Blind Date. Very pretty looking. Gonna put a little dot right here on my hand. Oh, that is pretty. I like that. I like that a lot. I've never purchased anything from the Beauty Crop before. I've only gotten it in boxes. And it has coconut oil and argan oil in it, so that is going to be fun to use. I like it. Radiance in a bottle. Yes, it is. Create a long-lasting, lit from within look with our champagne-colored liquid highlighter. I'll usually do like one dot here and one dot here and just blend it, and then take like a little dab on my finger and put it down the nose. And if I want to, I'll just take what's left over, and put it over my eyes. That's it. On to the next thing we have. Oh, more stress relief. Thank you. It's a hair oil from a brand that I can't read. What is this? How do you read this? Like, I know how to read cursive, okay? But this isn't even cursive anymore. It's just a line. Oh, do schools still teach cursive? I remember years ago, there was a whole thing about, oh, well, we shouldn't be teaching cursive anymore because it's not necessary because everybody uses technology. I feel like that's a good skill to have. Anyway, and if brands are gonna come out with names that look like this on their logo, we all still have to know how to read cursive. What? Is it just liquid? Likwid. Liquid RX. This is a 100% natural hair oil, but what kind of oil is it, sir? Ingredients. Is that how you say that? RAPE seed? That's a thing? Somebody gotta rename that. Jasmine pumpkin. Oh, that's nice. Okay. And sesame oil. Really neat. All right. Let's give this a sniff here. Okay. This doesn't smell like something I would want to use. Kind of smells like, you know when you walk into Michael's in the fall and you just get hit with all the fall scents to the point where you just can't breathe? That's what it smells like. Next, I have this Feel Renewed Pumpkin Walnut Facial Cleanser with gentle exfoliation. Okay, I love pumpkin everything, of course. I haven't used a walnut facial scrub ever. And this doesn't say it's a scrub, it says it's a cleanser with gentle exfoliation. But that does mean scrub, right? I'm trying to use up all of my physical exfoliants, so my scrubs and stuff, for my face, so that I never have to use them again. And I could just forever switch to chemical exfoliators. That smells really nice. This smells like fall, but in a good, nice, crisp way, whereas the other thing smells very heavy and very artificial and not very good. This smells really nice. Hopefully it works well and it doesn't break me out. I am very picky with my cleansers, and I have quite a few that I'm trying to work through so I can finish it and just have a smaller collection of skincare, because lately I've been getting very tired of the excess stuff that I have in general, things in my home, like having too many pots and pans, having too many plates, having too many mugs for my skincare and my hair care and everything. Like, just having too much of all the stuff. Like, I really want to refine everything that I have and just stop overbuying. And it's not as much of a money thing as it is like kind of a guilt thing. It's just I don't need all of this, and it's not right for me to keep on buying more when I can save. And what? Why? I'm having a moment of honesty, and here you are. Thank you. Next, I have this. Ooh, yay! Okay, Beauty Bakery is a great brand. I love them. I'm wearing their setting powder right now. I love their setting spray. It's best if you use it if you want like a really matte look that's going to stay all day, because that stuff really dries down everything a lot. I have a lipstick from them. I did order their concealer, but I did have to return it because it was way too dark for me. The color that I wanted has been sold out at Ulta. I haven't been able to get it. So I have a palette here from Beauty Bakery. It's called Proof is in the Pudding. Here is the little case for it. I'll slip it out. It's so pretty. Let's see what the inside looks like. This is so cute. It has like banana pudding with like vanilla wafers and everything. That's so cute. This is such pretty packaging. So the inside has a ton of bananas all the way down, and you have all your colors here that kind of look like vanilla wafers, right? It's really cute. This is like my color scheme right here. This with a few burnt oranges thrown in, that's me. So we have rice pudding, chia pudding, bread pudding, butterscotched, spiced caramel, Mango pudding. That's not the color of mango pudding, I'll tell you that right now. Anyway, continue. Nana pudding, warm cocoa, and almond jelly. These are so pretty. Let's do some swatches. Okay, I'm gonna start off with rice pudding, and then we're going to jump into mango pudding because that is a very pretty shade right there. Spiced caramel because we need a shimmer shade, and let's take almond jelly, a deep shimmer shade. 1, 2, 3, 4 shades. There they all are. That's really nice. I am very happy with it. Rice pudding for me is gonna be like really good to set my eyeshadow primer. It took me forever to figure out. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use this. And last item, it's the Foxy Bay, what size is this? Rose Gold 25mm curling wand. I've never had a Foxy Bay curling wand. I don't know how good they're supposed to be. I do know that they are on the pricey side. I usually get like cheaper curling wands from like, what's it? Tigi or Bedhead or whatever. Remington, Conair, you know, the stuff that you can find at Target and Walmart. That's the ones that I get. For Christmas last year, Ernie, no, or was it my birthday? I think it was my birthday. Ernie splurged and got me the Dyson hair dryer, and I love it so much. I would never buy the other Dyson stuff unless like I won the lottery or something, because that's a lot of money to spend on like a hairstyling item. I can't. This is nice. This looks very pretty, very aesthetically pleasing. It's so nice. This is a really nice wand. I like it. And I like the size. My neighbor's outside. I just checked the price. It's $100, $99, and there is no way to adjust the heat, which is very frustrating. Like everybody's hair needs different things, right? And what if I want to like not have it so hot, you know? How hot does it go? I don't see a temperature listed here, so that worries me a little bit. I do like having the option of setting my own temperature, but it seems very common because even stuff that I already have, I don't have the option to change the temp on it, and that is very frustrating. I think the only item that I have that I can change the temp on is my hair straightener and my little brush hair straightener. Everything else, all my curling ones, I don't think I can adjust the heat. Which I guess, is that just standard? So the total is $352. That's how much all this stuff would have cost had I bought it on my own. Luckily I didn't have to pay all of that. Plus some of these things I wouldn't have given a second thought to buying. Like $75 for this little thing? No, I would not. That's everything. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. I put out new videos every week, so hope you guys stick around and see those. Hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.